Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. I want to first thank you for coming to my channel and giving me the support that you've given me over these past 7 to 8 months. I really do appreciate it. I know without you I would not have a channel, and I'm forever grateful. Okay, well, we finally know a little more about the stimulus checks. We will talk about that in just a minute. But we are still playing the hurry up and wait game with Pelosi and the mooch man McConnell and everyone else in Washington. But little by little, tidbits are leaking out about the COVID relief package. Nancy Pelosi said the 600 bill page is coming. It should be released today. Now, granted, she said this yesterday and it hadn't been released yet. But as of recording time of this video, it still has not been released. So that was more lies. But we do know now that the bill is holding $600 stimulus checks for all adults and $600 stimulus checks for all dependents with no age limit. That means adult dependents will get it also. This is a very good thing. ITIN will not be disqualified for this stimulus check. The families won't be disqualified. Only the person with the ITIN will not get the check. This is another good thing. You know, last time the family was disqualified. They're still trying to stop people that are getting $300 per week unemployment boost from getting the $600 stimulus check. This is just wrong. And let me explain how I feel about this. These people that's getting unemployment, that means they was gainfully working and making money. The government shut everything down. They lost their jobs, they lost their businesses, they lost their careers. So I believe the government owes this to them. The $600 stimulus check is a one-time thing. I don't think it's going to kill the government to give these people what they so rightly deserve. The unemployment boost will be in this bill, and it's $600 per week for 13 weeks. PPP funding will be in this bill. $325 billion. EIDL is included. You can get this money for your business if your business is down at least 30%. Republicans are wanting more PPP money, especially for restaurants, the hardest hit sector. Schools will be getting $82 billion. Mental health will be getting $5 billion. Transportation will be getting $45 billion. And it looks like out of that $45 billion, $17 billion of it will be going strictly to the airlines. They are trying to increase the SNAP program over the 15% that has already been okayed for. And that increase would be for 4 months. Vaccine distribution will get $16 billion. That is good because out of the state and local funding that they took out of the bill, part of that money was going to go for vaccine distribution. Well, without state and local funding, where would they get the money to do it? Now they've added that in here, so that is a good thing. Child care will be getting $10 billion. Broadband will be getting $10 billion. The post office will be getting $10 billion. Have y'all been to the post office lately? The lines are way out the door. Maybe now they can hire some employees or bring some employees back. Community lending programs will be getting $10 billion. Rental assistance will get $25 billion. And that's broke down into a lot of different categories. I didn't go into all of that, but total package would be $25 billion. They are still working on some items like live venue shows, trying to get live venues back, and also the FEMA funding that was depleted earlier. Josh Hawley is still pushing for the $1,200 stimulus check, even though it's a waste of time because there's no way in hell they're going to approve this now. It's too far into the game. It will never happen, but it is still good to know someone is in the corner fighting for us. Chuck Schumer said they should still get this all done by Friday. I say that's a pipe dream at best. I don't see that happening. It would be nice if it does get done. Now I want to ask y'all a question, and please leave your comments and answers in the comments below. Okay, if we get this bill passed now, I think we all know we wouldn't actually see a stimulus check until after the first of the year. So do you really believe that they are going to turn right around and send us another one? Just like Joe Biden said right after he takes office, he would send another one out via executive order. Do you really think that's going to happen? I don't believe it will happen. Please let me know in the comments what you think. Even though Joe Biden wants to send checks out via executive order, I believe he will still need the House and the Senate to agree, and I just don't think they're going to do it. If you remember right, President Trump tried to do the same thing, and the House and Senate blocked him. Bernie Sanders said the $900 billion bill is much too low. He said it should be at least double that. He said the current bill is good, but it's just not enough. He went on to say everything that he thinks should be in the bill, and I agree with everything that he said. I won't go into everything that he said, but everything he said made a lot of sense. He also wants to see stimulus checks of $1,200 for each adult and $500 for each dependent. We know that won't happen. They've already decided on the stimulus checks, and they will be $600 for adults and $600 for dependents. I think the group of 100 representatives really pushed hard and got the stimulus checks pushed back in. We know Bernie Sanders started a long time ago in on wanting the stimulus checks, but I believe with Bernie's pressure and the pressure from this 100 representatives, I think it was too much for them to handle, and they had to put it back in, and I am totally grateful for that. I know a lot of people are saying that $600 is just a slap in the face and they can keep it. Well, if they don't want that $600, send it to me. I can definitely use it. I'm grateful for anything I can get right now. Y'all, please keep your faith in Jesus. He's going to see us through this. I know he will. He's got our back 100%. We just don't understand the timing, but we will one day. Y'all please watch the video popping up here now. It's mine and my wife's show from last night. We don't talk stimulus over there. We don't talk politics. We just have a lot of stupid, crazy fun. And if somebody stumbles onto that video and that's the first thing they see of us, they're going to think we're some special people. But we're just having fun. That's our escape from all of this craziness. Y'all please come watch it. If you hadn't been there, please come over just one time and watch it. If you don't like it, you don't have to come back. But we do have a lot of fun there every night at 9 p.m. I'm going to link last night's show to the end down here, and just know I love you all, and I will see you at 12 noon if something breaks. Before then, if not, when something breaks, I will come back. I love you all. Ciao.